Here is the energy market right here as we start in light crude. So you'll see something significant going on. So these are the minor cycle that you can see right over here, and this is the big dominant cycle right over there. So after this crisis down over here in March, where energy light crude went to 40 below, 40 below is something that we never guessed could ever happen. 46 years now as a trader, I've never seen negative prices before, so that was a wild one over here. And then it recovered in a very, very big way, as you can see. And if you look at this cycle right over here, well, that's positive. And we were concerned that the lows that were being made right over here, and in a rally and then getting below that was a problem. And we thought that could be negative. And we were in this downward channel, as you could see right here. But now things have changed. So while we didn't know which of these lows was the low, we said the daily breakout would tell. And we actually have a daily breakout right over here that happened today. Now, it's coming back down under there. And you can see that long tail it's leaving there on this upward thrust. But still, the nature of this cycle right in here is so positive that it suggests to us that even if we get a pullback into this period right over here, that would probably get you down to about, well, that's 40.80. This is around 39.50. Like right into those areas, in our opinion, would be a super area for buying, and that you're likely to be moving up again. So this is a bullish occurrence that we're seeing right over here that tells us that this low is just being made a week ago and then beginning to turn up because of this very positive cycle that's being formed in here. Again, we're looking at multiple time frames, and when the daily tells us something that's positive and we can see the shape of that changing in here, well, then we know we're really in the first or second week of this advance right over here, and that's an extremely positive thing. It would need a break under this level below 33.40 in order to change that, and it would that's likely a long way away, or that possibility is very remote for that to happen. So we saw an improvement going on in gasoline, which had clearly done better in heating oil, and now crude oil is catching up to the products in here in what is a very, very good upside potential. We had been looking for an upside movement when we thought the lows were happening right over here to about 44.5, 45. Right at the top of that fib extension right over here. This one over here is close to 49. So right now we're going to target this area of 44.5, 45 on the upside. It's likely not going to happen until you get some pullback in here and then move back to the upside right over there. So a very, very improved pattern that we see there in light crude.